We will need a tomato to make this recipe. Grate it. We will need tomato pulp. Step 1. Cleansing. Take a bowl and add a teaspoon of tomato pulp. Add a tablespoon of milk. Mix it very well. Take a cotton ball, dip in mixture and cleanse your face nicely for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 2. Scrubbing. Take a bowl and add a tablespoon of rice flour. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A teaspoon of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use white sugar. Add a tablespoon of tomato pulp. Please press the like button. Add a third teaspoon of glycerine. If you don't have glycerine, you can add almond oil. Mix all the ingredients very well. Mix till the half sugar dissolve in it. After mixing, scrub your face with gentle hands in circular motion for 5 minutes. After scrubbing, wash your face with cold water. Step 3. Face pack. Add a tablespoon of tomato pulp. Add a teaspoon of honey. Mix it. Add a teaspoon of yogurt. Mix it. Add a teaspoon of gram flour bison. Mix all the ingredients very well. Apply this pack on your face and leave it for 10 minutes. If you like the video, please like, comments, and share with your friends. Leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wet your hand with water and massage your face and remove it. You can use this remedy 2 times a week. This tomato facial will give you instant results. Apply any moisturizer.